If you guys are not caught up to speed on our previous video, we went ahead and painted these beautifully, and I mean beautifully painted Brembo calipers for my 2014 Mustang, which did not cost me an arm and a leg to do. And let me just say though, for those of you guys that are planning on painting your calipers one day or plan on getting Brembos, this is definitely a video you're gonna want to see. Only costed me around $50 overall, which is pretty crazy when you think about the painting process I went into this, and the outcome that resulted from it was beyond anything I could ever think I could possibly even do. I think each and every single one of you guys will love that video, and on top of that as well, that adds to this video, we're gonna be going ahead and installing these Brembo calipers over on my car, which will include adding brand new rotors, adding brand new stainless steel brake lines, adding brand new pads that I could not stand, and I ended up just having to replace them the other day because they sounded like a screaming banshee. There it is. The notorious squeak. And let me just say though, the difference that I felt in this was absolutely beyond me.
Them bitches were good. Damn.
Compared to what I originally had on the car with the OEM calipers, this was a night and day difference. I think each and every single one of you guys would love to have this for your Mustang. With that being said, let's jump right into the goodies. So it'd be hopefully a little bit quicker. I had to get bigger ones. So this is the first test drive with the brakes on. I'm a little nervous because I've never done a brake job before like this. Let me go find a dirt lot at the end of the road to make sure, in case they fail for whatever reason, I end up in the dirt, because last thing I want to do is end up in somebody's house. I don't know why I chose to drive down this shit road. Oop, don't want that.
right, let's try this again on the brakes. Them bitches work good. Damn. Okay, for the first few pushes, I didn't really feel much. I ain't gonna lie. Now though, on the other hand, shit. I'm glad I threw these things on. For a first timer, bleeding the brakes, throwing some Brembies on, throwing some big ass rotors on there, and we still gotta paint the rear calipers like that's even gonna make any sort of difference. Mwah. Just driving normally, we're hitting it cool, like, I don't know, like 20 miles an hour, then stop. There's a kid crossing the road. Thanks, boy. Okay. But we're gonna take a Yui, not an illegal one, but a Yui. This person's probably gonna look at me like, I'm sorry. Yeah, he's looking at me like I'm a weirdo. Uno mas. It says my door is open. Is that door open? I'm not bullshitting you guys. I am not exaggerating this. This bitch grips. That's all I gotta say. I am so happy I threw these brakes on. It took me 2 years. 2 years to throw these bad Jimmy Johns on, and they don't even squeal either. Oof. Oof. Let me just stop with this person. I don't know. Get a kick out of shit. Grow a pair. Grow a pair. All right. All right. Let's try this one more time, baby. For you guys. For you guys. Bam. I know you guys probably can't see shit in this video, but you can feel it. Actually, you know what? So what we are gonna do next, everybody, what we're gonna do next, we're actually gonna set the braking on here, because I remember there's a brake system thing on here that I wanted to test out on this car. Is track apps, brake performance. No, I'm not going 0 to 60 on this road. Fuck that. Okay, maybe on another test road we'll test that, but we will eventually try it. But with that being said, I don't hear any noises. Everything feels good. Everything looks great. Next thing we gotta do is paint these calipers. That's all we gotta do next, baby. So far, it working. It working.